Welcome to CETS video tutorials. The purpose of this video is to show you how to schedule a new recurring meeting from your profile page. If you need to learn how to log into Zoom meetings, please watch the first video in the playlist titled Log into Zoom Virtual Meeting. Once you've logged into Zoom, make sure Meetings is selected in the Zoom main menu. Next, select Schedule a new meeting. Fill in the topic, description, date, time, and then add the duration of your meeting. Recurring meeting means the meeting will occur again as frequently as you choose. You want to check this box. Next, you'll fill in meeting options. You can select any or all options listed based on when and how frequently you want your meetings to occur. This can be daily, weekly, monthly, or have no fixed time. In the drop-down menu labeled Repeat Every, you can select numerically how frequently you want the meeting to repeat. This depends on what option you selected under Recurrence. We will repeat the meeting every 1 week or weekly. Zoom then asks on which days of the week we want the meeting to occur. Select the applicable days. Lastly, you can set the end date for your meeting or the last day you want your meeting to occur. If you know on which day the last meeting will occur, you can set that as the end date. Or you can set the meeting to end after occurring a set number of times. Finally, verify all the information and click Save to add the meeting to your saved meetings. Under My Meetings, you will now see the new meeting added. For live one-on-one training, call us during our office hours on our Zoom help desk at 1-646-558-8656 using meeting ID 995-332-8350, or connect on Zoom using the same meeting ID. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. Please click the YouTube like and subscribe buttons for updates on new videos. And don't forget to follow our Twitter for more updates and news.